Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Then tap on the profile icon which is right next to notification icon. Select the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select settings. Then select Account Management. Tap on Personal Information. Then select the very last option, that is Language. Tap on the drop-down menu. Now you'll be able to change your language. And this is how you can change language on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.